Gorgeous Craftsman architecture, bright and open living spaces full of natural light, and a huge flat backyard with ADU possibilities. That's just the beginning of what you'll love about my latest listing in Pasadena's exclusive Madison Heights neighborhood. Hi, it's Eva Lin, #1 realtor for Pasadena Homes Sold in 2021 and 2022. 659 South Oakland Avenue presents an incredible opportunity for you to create your dream home in one of Pasadena's most beautiful pockets. Built in 1908, the home is brimming with character, but also primed for a stunning 21st century transformation. This Craftsman gem has great bones and it's full of possibilities. I'm so excited to give you a tour, so follow me and see how special this home truly is. Welcome to 659 South Oakland Avenue. Come on in. As soon as you step inside, you'll notice a gorgeous Craftsman detail and a spacious open floor plan, exposed beams, built-in cabinetry, and extensive wainscoting are a testament to the home's rare artistry and immense character. To the right of the entry, you'll find this handsome den with a picturesque view of the front yard. This is the perfect place for evening homework or relaxing with a good book. The living room is warm and inviting and has tons of natural light. A handsome fireplace is framed by large windows, and the whole space is trimmed with richly burnished woodwork. An effortless flow leads to this gorgeous dining room where we're treated to more beautiful old-world craftsmanship. A huge window wall lights the room brilliantly, and built-in display cabinets add a special depth of character. It's easy to imagine hosting hearty Sunday night dinners in this gorgeous space. The kitchen and breakfast area nearby offer a large footprint for you to reconfigure and create the elegant, modern dream kitchen you've always wanted. A guest bathroom and oversized laundry room are also found at the rear of the house. Now let's head upstairs to check out the home's 4 bedrooms. Each bedroom is bright and spacious, and one features a sunny balcony that looks out to the cheerful street. The bedrooms share a full-size bath, and once again, there's plenty of space up here to reconfigure the perfect layout tailored to your desires. Just like the main house, the backyard is brimming with possibilities thanks to this huge flat lot. Private and expansive, there's plenty of room for play and entertainment. This space allows you to put in a pool, outdoor kitchen, garden, or all the above. The possibilities are wide open. And a huge bonus is the oversized detached garage, which offers great potential for a cozy guest house or a full-on ADU. So that was 659 South Oakland Avenue, a timeless home rich with character, beauty, and exciting possibilities. You couldn't find a more beautiful neighborhood to bring your dream home to life in. So I invite you to reach out to me for a private tour while there's still time. To schedule a tour, you can find me at linrealtygroup.com or call me at 626-807-6581. Thank you so much.